Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Henis Jawati from UNES. I will present my article, the title, The Oversight of Athlete Emotion Consistency as Depicted in the Individual Life. This is the background of my research. That mental strategies have been more broadly considered by different characteristics and mental behavior of elite athletes. Unpleasant life occasions and everyday life stresses have both harmful and collective consequences for human body. By managing athlete emotion, they can resist the urge to panic and zero on the journey that should be cultivated. Self-appraisal, self-control, and problem solving will positively predict the determinant motivation and resilience. This condition helps to better understand how different behavioral, emotional, and social aspects belonging to the athlete interrelated with the others. The purpose, this research aimed at examining the oversight of elite athlete emotion consistency as depicted in their individual life through three embedded determinants of self-expression, self-control, and problem solving. The method I used, the 278 respondents were elite athletes listed from 28 categories of sport, both individual and team sport. There are 51 individual athletes and 227 team athletes. Respondents were involved in the Sport Training Center program under the Indonesia National Sport Committee. The data were collected from elite athletes self-read questionnaire to their emotion consistency using a 5-point Likert scale. The data analyzed used the descriptive statistic as constitute with athlete emotion consistency. This is the result. Athlete consistency in facing their daily life, three determinants of both individual athlete and team athlete category mostly saw a significant influence with the comparably means self-expression and problem solving, except for self-control. This determinant relate on self-expression mean 3.29 SD 0.879. Self-control mean 2.27 SD 1.021. And problem solving mean 3.00 and SD 1.039 for individual athletes. Meanwhile, self-expression mean 3.17 SD 0.893. Self-control mean 2.34 and SD 0.989. And problem solving mean 3.15 and SD 1.091 for team athlete. This is the figure for individual athlete, this for self-expression, for self-control, and for problem solving. And this figure for team athlete, for self-expression, for self-control, and for problem solving. This discussion, firstly, this discussion addressed elite athlete self-talk that was motivationally used to improve attention and assertiveness and reduce anxiety among elite athletes. As part of self-expression, self-talk relied on the positive things that were immediately followed by the negative things, which can enroll a substantial matter in assisting elite athletes to stay focused on current situation and strategy. Ultimately, managing self-expression skill benefit elite athlete physical and mental recovery and have positive effect on long-term health, well-being, and performance. Secondly, individual athletes require a high level of performance that will be more effective than team athletes to perform elite athlete self-control and needed to convey sufficient support and feedback to obtain the better benefit. Self-control was frequently confirmed to create applicable, effortful recovery activities. Elite athletes might hold to will their self-control to handle activities, especially when they were aroused, stressed, or in negative mood. Self-control was associated with time spent on several daily activities that helped elite athletes stand for the track. It might also increase elite athletes' perceivable performance by assisting them overcome barriers which made them more comfortable. Thirdly, problem solving in both individual and team athletes require problem identification, intervention, and sustainable assessment. Critical thinking behavior in individual and team athletes had been established as the process of skillful method of knowledge and experience in making discriminating judgment and evaluation. Effective problem-solving process was expected to gain better attention, comprehension, and decision-making toward the regular exercise and participation that will positively contribute to the daily output. This research supports elite athletes' determination to convey good robustness and capacity for generalization. And to some extent, this helps elite athletes to better understand on the role of either individual and team athlete category. Future research was recommended to analyze in-depth results through the longitudinal research with goal identify the relationship between individual and team athlete more significantly. Furthermore, the influence of self-expression, self-control, and problem-solving will be meaningful based on the fact that the way elite athletes perceive regarding their individual life in order to take appropriate decision. This conclusion, elite athlete emotion consistency deal with intra and inter-individual contact that constitute with the multiple positive, negative, and supportive reaction. However, elite athlete emotion conditionally influences the individual competency inventories. Thank you for your attention.